Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make better purchasing decisions by doing the dirty work, so you have to. Today, we've got a showdown between two robotic marvels that promise to keep your floors cleaner than your conscience after eating that extra slice of pizza. On my left, we have the Loorow 3-in-1 robot vacuum and mop combo, and on my right, the Kilgone robot vacuum and mop combo. Let's find out which one is the king of clean. All right, let's talk money, because let's face it, who doesn't love saving a few bucks? The Loorow will set you back a cool $599. Yeah, that's right, almost as much as your first car. Meanwhile, the Kilgone is a more wallet-friendly $267. That's like, what, 3 months of Netflix? If you're looking to keep your bank account as clean as your floors, Kilgone's already scored a point. Next up, hands-free cleaning. Loorow boasts 60 days of hands-free cleaning with a self-empty dock. That's right, folks, 60 days! You can basically forget it exists, and it'll still be doing its thing. Kilgone, on the other hand, well, let's just say you'll be getting a little more up-close and personal with your vacuum. No self-emptying dock here, so if you're a fan of doing absolutely nothing, Loorow's your new best friend. Navigation time. Loorow comes with PressaSense LiDAR navigation, which sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. It creates accurate maps and scans rooms, like it's planning a heist. Kilgone has a 360-degree sensor array for obstacle avoidance, but no fancy LiDAR. So if you want your vacuum to be as smart as your phone, Loorow's the way to go. Otherwise, Kilgone's sensors will still dodge your cat's toys and your kids' Lego minefields. Let's talk versatility. Loorow offers 6 cleaning modes: Auto, Spot, Edge, Zigzag, Scheduled, and Manual. It's like the Swiss Army knife of vacuums. Kilgone comes with 4 modes: Auto, Spot, Edge, and Zigzag. It's got fewer options, but hey, sometimes less is more, right? If you like having more buttons to press, Loorow wins this round. Suction power. Because who doesn't love a vacuum that can practically lift your rug? Loorow flexes with a whopping 4,500 pascals suction power. That's like having a mini tornado in your living room. Kilgone, while not specified, is more about being a balanced performer. If you're dealing with pet hair that seems to multiply overnight, Loorow's your go-to. But if you're just trying to keep things tidy, Kilgone will do the trick. Battery life. Loorow gives you up to 120 minutes of cleaning time. That's 2 hours of uninterrupted cleaning bliss. Kilgone offers 100 minutes, which is still solid but 20 minutes less. So, if you've got a mansion or just a really messy house, those extra 20 minutes might come in handy. Based on Amazon reviews, the Loorow 3-in-1 robot vacuum and mop combo is praised for its exceptional cleaning performance, large self-emptying dustbin, superior mapping, and impressive battery life. However, some reviewers noted app navigation issues and basic mopping capabilities. On the other hand, the Kilgone robot vacuum and mop combo is appreciated for its affordability, ease of use, quiet operation, and effectiveness in reaching hard-to-clean areas. It's seen as a reliable, budget-friendly option that still delivers good performance. So there you have it, folks. The Loorow 3-in-1 robot vacuum and mop combo is like the luxury sedan of robot vacuums. It's got all the bells and whistles, but it'll cost you. The Kilgone robot vacuum and mop combo is more like a reliable hatchback, affordable, efficient, and gets the job done without all the frills. Which one should you buy? Well, that's up to you. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, And ring the bell for more smart buying advice. Drop a comment below and let us know which vacuum you think is the winner. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart. Check out the product links in the description for more details.